Welcome back, this is Keith All, and we're going to be working on the mobile edits for a one-page website using the Builderall platform. Today we will finish up with our mobile edits for this one-page website, and we're going to be working on our last panel, which is the Contact Us panel. So right now I'm looking at the finished product, and this is what the mobile page will look like for this particular panel, and of course I'll include the footer, which is down below here. So let's click on the panel settings for this panel, and I'm just gonna click on the pencil icon, and let's see what the sizes are. It says 910 by 50. So let's go to our actual website that we're editing, and as you can see currently this is what the Contact Us panel looks like. So we have to make some adjustments. So I'm gonna look at our first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna be hiding some elements, and these will appear on our desktop version, but not on our mobile version. So we're going to be removing the icons, and I'm just double checking this is all one panel. Yeah, it is. So what we do is we're going to select each icon, and let's see, or which is an image element. Let's see what this. Let's double check something here. So what we want to see just on the mobile version is this text element here, and plus the Contact Us form. Okay, everything else we can remove. So let's go back here. So when you're doing this, make sure that you're selecting the box icon that includes this image element and this text element. So we're gonna go over here, we're on the box element, and we're gonna select this hide element, and that's all we're gonna do. We're gonna do this for all of them. So when you're doing this, make sure you select the box icon or box element for each one of these. There we go. Hide. Box. Hide. And then the box. Let's go over here. Okay. So now let's go back over here. Now we're selecting the panel. Let's see what the sizes are. Looks like it might be the same. 910 by 50. That's correct. Okay. Border. I don't think there's any other property that we need to adjust for the panel element. Okay. Now let's go over here. Let's select the box element that contains these two text elements here. Pencil icon. Let's go over here. Size. Let's go over to our site. Okay, let's go over here. 440, 131, and 50. Okay, so that's okay. Let's go back now. Let's see, there should be a lateral spacing. Let's do this. Okay, the first three are set to 5. Let's go over here. That's all okay. Now the last two, which are the top and bottom, is 60 and 15. So what I'm doing here is the lateral spacing of the box element, meaning that when we adjust these properties, in this case, I'm setting the space between the top portion of the box element, and since the element that precedes it is the panel, we're making the size or the distance between the top of the panel element and the next element, which is the box element. That's the space, the 60 that we're doing. And the same thing with the bottom. We're putting 15 probably pixels between the bottom of the box element and this next element, which is the contact form. Okay, so now let's adjust the text on here. So the size of the text is 18 and it's centered, and we're going to move this element up. We're going to select Advanced Settings. And everything's set to 5 except for the bottom, which is 0. Okay. I'm just zooming in and out right now. So give me a second. Okay, now we're going to select the context text, and let's see what it's over here. So it's 41 and centered, and the advanced we'll adjust in a minute. Everything is set to 5 except for the top property, and it's set to 0. Okay. So that should be end of that. Let's go over here. So we're going to select the contact form element. Let's see what adjustments we need to make here. Let's see. We're going to use the advanced settings here. Let's scroll down here. And let's see. So everything is set to 15 except for the bottom is set to 60. Okay, so that should be end of that. It looks good. Okay, now let's see what the bottom footer is set to. $93, okay, everything's set there. And there's just, it looks like there's just one text element within there. Let's do here. So it's set to 12, it looks like that's set properly. Now most likely the last one here is the advanced, so let's see what, so everything, let's see. So everything's set to 15, so let's go ahead and change that. Okay, looks like we're done. Let's go back over here. Let's save our work. Let's click on Save. We'll publish our changes. And then we'll go to the website, our live changes. Let's go over here. It opens up in a new tab. I'm on a PC. So this, of course, is the desktop view. So everything is set properly. And as you can see is what we did on the mobile view, we basically moved these from the mobile view, which are these social media icons and this. So now what I'm going to do, since I'm on a PC, I'm not too sure how to do this on a Mac, but anyways, I'm going to collapse our tab down. Let's go back over here and let's scroll over here. So adjusted the width of the browser window to its smallest size. So now what we're doing is we're viewing this website and what it would potentially look like on a mobile phone. So as you can see, everything is properly proportioned and everything is working okay. So I want to thank you very much. I know this was a long series, but hopefully it was very helpful for you and it helped you to get inside the Cheetah Builder and learn all the techniques that are necessary to build a website and how to do the mobile edits. Again, I appreciate you. Thank you for stopping by. Please let other people know about this. And don't forget to subscribe and like and comment on these videos. Again, thank you. You have a great